We went to the beach. Spin!
He's getting so mad.
We don't usually have visitors. Making fun of my funny toe. B and Jacob's favorite environment.
We went to the beach. We went to the bay. We had a drink.
No, we
Ribena.
We didn't even have Ribena. We're just having some crepes for lunch before nap time. Oh, I thought you were going to show a flip. That was
a flop.
terrible. Jordan tried to be Insta hubby at the beach today. I wanted to get a few photos of myself on the beach. Boost my confidence a little bit. I wasn't very confident. I'll show you guys some pictures we got.
No. 1 sec.
No.
Why? I can't get it to...
Oh my
How do
god.
I make it spin?
He's getting so mad.
I give up.
So I forgot the camera, but we just went grocery shopping at Aldi. Got all of our groceries.
This is my happy song. I like to sing it all day long.
We listen to that a lot, you can tell. But the kids are hungry, so we're gonna cook dinner and eat. It is strange that she's keeping them on.
I put on the first one, she was happy. So then I put on another one. Then I put on 3. Now she's on number 4. She's not fussed.
She thought about taking it for herself.
Yeah, if she really likes it, she'll think about it. She'll still give it. Most of the time. I think you're wearing the same top.
Good afternoon. We have some visitors today. We don't usually have visitors, so it's kind of weird. We have Jordan's mum and Nonna here today. They took Jacob out for a little bit today while we had a rest and Jazz had a nap. He ended up having a nap, so that's going to be interesting tonight. But we are now at the lake and we're about to have some... Is it the beach?
Beach.
It's the beach. And we're gonna have some picnic dinner and B and Jacob's favorite environment.
The water.
The water.
But I wasn't mowing the lawn barefoot, was I?
Yes, you were.
Forward up.
The second time you were.
Well, I think I'm turning into the Hulk.
You can't see it mostly from the bottom. Green feet.
I thought it was from the glasses. I'm like, what's going on with my feet? Oh, they're green.
Jordan mowed the grass, that's why he's got green feet. He doesn't just not wash them. Are we at the park? At the beach? Jacob is having the time of his life. Jordan's making fun of my funny toes.
Multiple toes. You've got joined toes, and you've got like a non-existent toenail on your pinky toes. It's like 1% of my nail.
I'd like to know if it's a common thing. I've heard it is a bit of a common thing.
No.
Well, people have them. Let me know if you have them.
Joined
But
toes?
I have 2 toes that are joined together.
She's a mermaid.
It makes me swim faster. I'll show you guys. If you don't like feet, skip past this part. My mum kind of has toes like that too.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Take care.
No sleeping in the lounge room. The rule.
Yeah, oh, that's a rule that you broke today.
Hey you. Hi.
She's really silly at the moment.
Hello you. Well, stop.
She doesn't laugh properly.
She bites.
Or did she bite you?
She bites.
Did you bite? She goes, ah, 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 ah.
All right.
She's never laughed before, like, ha ha ha. It's always,
Come here, darling. Come on, good morning.